Are you ready to simplify payroll management? Adding employees in QuickBooks Online Payroll is crucial for businesses. It's straightforward, and we'll guide you step by step. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Locate the Payroll tab in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access payroll features. Next, select Employees. Here, you will see an option to Add Employee. Click this to start the process. Now, you'll enter employee details. Fill in their name, email, and address. This information ensures accuracy in payroll processing. Then, add the employee's job details. Include their position, department, and start date. This helps in organizing employee records efficiently. After this, input the employee's pay details. Specify the pay type, hourly or salary. Also, include the pay rate to ensure correct payments. Next, set up tax information. This includes federal and state tax withholdings. Ensure you have the employee's W-4 handy to fill this out. Now, it's time for benefits. If your employee has any benefits, you can add them here. This includes health insurance and retirement plans. After entering all details, review the information carefully. Ensure everything is accurate to avoid future payroll issues. Finally, save the employee profile. Congratulations! You've successfully added an employee to QuickBooks Online Payroll. To summarize, start by logging in and accessing payroll. Next, add employee details, job information, pay details, tax information, and benefits. Always review before saving. Ready to streamline your payroll management? Begin adding your employees today. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Click the link below for discounts and offers.